Struggling to capture leads with boring forms? In this video, I'll show you how to build an interactive quiz in Outgrow step by step so you can engage visitors and generate leads in under 15 minutes. Most marketers rely on static lead forms, but they don't convert well. Interactive quizzes, on the other hand, can boost engagement and often double conversion rates. In fact, Outgrow users have reported up to an 82% faster lead qualification process using personalized quizzes, ready-to-use quiz templates of different industry, this layout and templates, great visuals, user-friendly builder, data visualization, easy to share, powerful tool, no coding embed, 24/7 customer support with multiple customization options and advanced features. You can also make different types of quizzes like trivia, Kahoot, BuzzFeed quizzes, and much more with just 5-step process. Here's what we're aiming for today. A clean, branded quiz that captures user details and gives personalized results instantly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your own live quiz ready to share, with personalized outcomes as per your needs. First, log into Outgrow from your dashboard and choose Outcome Quiz. Outgrow offers multiple type outcome quizzes, calculators, and more, but today we'll focus on the outcome quiz. You don't have to start from scratch. Browse the template library and select one close to your field. Templates already have questions, designs, and logic built in, which speeds things up. Here comes the Build tab, in which you can edit questions, add multiple choice answers, or even images. Keep your questions short, conversational, and focused on your target audience's pain points. Each answer should map to an outcome. For example, if you're building a social media personality quiz, your outcomes might be social butterfly, content creator, and news junkie. Outgrow makes it easy to assign outcomes with a simple drag and drop interface. You can easily map every option with the respective outcome in all the questions. You can map either 1, 2, 3, or more outcomes in one option only. You can also use advanced mapping to assign the weights to every outcome in all the questions. Now you can navigate to Overall Design tab, customize the look to match your brand, upload logo, change colors, and even change your font so the quiz feels like a natural part of your website. Before showing results, add a lead form. You can request name, email, or any custom field you need. Remember, keep it short. Only collect what you'll use. Once you're happy with your quiz, click on Go Live and Publish. Outgrow gives you a direct link and embed code so you can share it on your website, social, or even via email. Outgrow also offers multiple embed options that you can use to promote your content piece as a part of your website. Navigate to the Configure tab in the Builder. Next, click on the Embed on a Web Page sub-tab. In this section, you will find the following options available to you: full page embed, in-page embed, pop-up style embed, chat messenger style embed, greet bar embed, and even custom embed. Now coming to the Integrations tab, we offer both native as well as Zapier-powered integrations. With Zapier, you can integrate with over 500 apps. We also offer native integration for different tools like Salesforce, MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, Pardo, Marketo, etc. You can also use our email notifications feature to send the custom-side emails to the users depending on the outcome they get. Additionally, we have the designing features such as custom style sheets and external scripts to make the design changes. And just like that, you've built your first interactive quiz in under 15 minutes. Now navigate to the Analyze tab and click on Overview to view visitors, unique visits, conversion rates, and leads so you can measure performance in real time. You can also click on Export Data to export the details in an Excel sheet, or User Funnels to view the metrics on user flows. Ready to build your quiz? Start your free trial today and see how interactive content can transform your lead generation.